Hello everyone. In today's video I will review the best 6 shoes for Peloton and indoor cycling in 2022. Number 1. Shimano RC1. After testing out a few different models, we think the best indoor cycling shoes are the Shimano RC1. These shoes are lightweight and made from synthetic leather and mesh, which makes them comfortable to wear. They also have 3 hook and loop straps across the top of the feet, which makes them easy to take on and off. We found them to be breathable, comfortable, and easy to wear during our time. They were light but not overly stiff, and 3 Velcro straps made it easy to get the fit we wanted. Unlike Peloton's shoes, Shimano's shoes don't include clips, which must be purchased separately for $20. The R-Cones are designed for Delta cleats, but you can also purchase an adapter so they'll work with SPD cleats. 2. Reasons to buy. Plus compatible with Delta cleats. Plus very comfortable while riding, plus detailed instructions. Reasons to avoid. Clips must be purchased separately. Number 2. Vitatalpa men's cycling shoes. One way to save money on an exercise bike is to pick up less expensive cycling shoes. The Vitatalpa men's cycling shoes are the best Peloton shoes for those on a budget. They're quick-drying, anti-slip, feature breathable mesh, and are lightweight. They come with an adjustable. The shoes from Vitatalpa only come in men's sizes, but they work with both the 2-bolt SPD style and the 3-bolt SPD SL style cleats. They come in a range of colors. Number 3. Shimano IC1. The Shimano IC1 cycling shoes can best be described as being like riding your Peloton while wearing slippers. The Velcro wrap around fastening makes these shoes seriously comfortable and easy to adjust, although you can't make micro adjustments when clipped in as easily as you can with a BOA system. The shoes have a stiffness level of 6 on Shimano's scale. This makes them soft and comfortable, but our tester found they weren't firm enough when he was trying to do an FTP test or harder efforts. These shoes are good for indoor cycling and work with both 2-bolt and 3-bolt cleat systems. They're comfortable, but if you're a more advanced cyclist, you might want to choose a shoe that's firm. Plus comes with the Delta clips, plus compatible with Delta and SPD clips. Number 4. Nike SuperRep cycling shoes. This spring, Nike released the Nike SuperRep cycling shoes, which have an adjustable hook and loop strap that allows you to adjust how tight you want your shoes to fit. The Nike SuperRep shoes are lightweight, have breathable vents, and are compatible with both Delta and SPD clips. Like many other spin shoes, you have to purchase the clips separately. Although Nike shoes come in both men's and women's sizes, they receive the most mixed reviews of all the brands mentioned in the article. As with other spin shoes, Nike shoes tend to run small, so most reviewers advise people to buy a larger size than they normally would. One reviewer said that the shoes are comfortable, flexible, and easy to clip in and out of. One person said that they tried the shoes for a brief 5-minute ride and their feet started to hurt because there wasn't enough support. They could feel the pedals. Reasons to avoid. Clips must be purchased separately. Number 5. Peloton cycling shoes. Peloton's own shoes are unsurprisingly the best overall Peloton shoes, but they can also be used with other exercise bikes. They are lightweight and breathable with a ratchet clip and Velcro straps. If you want to buy these shoes together with your new bike, Peloton will deliver your shoes with your bike so you'll have them on time for that first ride. The Peloton shoes are good quality and fit true to size. They come with clips, but you will need to attach them yourself. The tongue stays in place while riding, which is a good feature. However, at $125 for the pair, they are a bit pricey. But if you're buying them with your Peloton, you can't beat the convenience. Peloton has released a more expensive pair of cycling shoes, the Peloton Altos, which have a single Velcro strap to make it easier to get the shoes on and off. Reasons to buy. Plus well made. Plus comes with Delta cleats. Plus sizes run true to size. Number 6. TIEM Slipstream. Do you worry about whether your shoes will go with your outfit when you go cycling? The Time Slipstream spin shoes look more like normal sneakers, with mesh fabric to keep your feet ventilated during your ride. They're also very light. One advantage to wearing these shoes that look like sneakers is that you can walk in them outside the class with the clip still attached, which you can't do with most cycling shoes. You can get them in 6 different colors. Although the Times are compatible with SPD clips, if you want to use them with a Peloton, you'll need to change the pedals on your bike, which is another expense. Time recommends that customers size down half a size from what you wear for your regular shoes. Reasons to buy. Plus shoes have a lot of mesh for breathability. Plus many colors to choose from. Plus very comfortable. Plus comes with an instruction guide.